Hey, listen, we're all gonna die. I know that's absolutely a horrible way to start a video, but listen, we're all gonna die. And thing is, we all spend at least a third of our time at work. And you didn't start a business to work more than a third of time. You didn't start a business to miss out on your family time. You didn't start a business to put you in an early grave. You didn't start a business to work yourself to death. What you did was you started a business for more freedom, more money, more time with your family, more of what matters, more impact, more influence. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna fix the problem that you have right now of working too much. How are we gonna do that? One, I want you to do a time journal. I want you to figure out what your time is worth. I want you to identify your OCD loops, your magic time. The second thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go and build out your perfect week so that you get more done. You make time for what matters. You build your business around your life and not your life around your business. And then the third thing you're gonna do is you're gonna ask yourself 4 powerful questions. Hey, listen, what do I hate doing? How can I switch this up? 2, what should I stop doing? What if I never did this again, my business would not suffer? What can I stop doing? Third, the third question is, what is not my job? What can I delegate, eliminate, and get to somebody else who can do it better? And then finally, the last thing that I want you to ask yourself are, what are my distractions? Every time you open an email from a stranger, it's stealing minutes from your kids, from your health, from your family, from your wealth. So remember that. Go and make those changes. Go and implement my time ownership techniques. It's not time management, time ownership techniques. And the next thing you know, you'll have everything that you want in life, more time, you'll live a better life. And listen, if that resonated with you, drop me a comment down below about how you're gonna go and grow. Love you.